A very beautiful and charming welcome to you. In this video, we will continue our series on Olympiad question. Here I am with the second question. Are you ready? I am ready. Let's start. Question. Is there a power of 2 such that its digits could be rearranged and made into another power of 2? No zeros are allowed in the leading digit. For example, 0032 is not allowed. So the question must seem to you a difficult one. Indeed, it is one, until you don't forget the words of the question. Most of the time in Olympiads, words or statements are chosen in the question to distract the students, and here it is the case. Let's think it another way. What do we have? We have powers of 2, we have rearrangement of same digits, and we have another power of 2, all related. Rearrangements can be difficult to think upon. So why not try another idea? Why don't we think on how many consecutive powers of 2 have the same number of digits? If you see, 1, 2, 4, 8 have 1 digits and they are 4 in number. 16, 32, 64 have 2 digits and they are 3 in number. 128, 256, 512 have 3 digits and they are 3 in number. Think a little bit. It's not very hard to see that there are either 3 or 4 consecutive numbers which have same number of digits. You might think of a proof like this. Suppose there be 5 such consecutive powers of 2 and the first one be x. Then fifth number would be x multiplied by 16, which means that addition of a new digit. So contradicted. Hence, maximum number of numbers or powers of 2 which can have same number of digits are 4. Now, so we need to think on only 4 or 3 consecutive powers of 2 for rearrangements. Wow, pretty easy to see. Not much. Still we need to match the rearrangements. Seems like impossible to do. Why to do impossible possible if we have another way? Let's again take another idea. So you say there are 2 powers of 2 with same digits but different rearrangements. So some of its digits must be the same. Oh wow, you might remember the divisibility property of number 9. The number is divisible by 9 if its sum of digits is itself divisible by 9. Or let's modify it. The number has same remainder with 9 if some of its digits are the same. Let's start doing some math. On your screen you will see the powers of 2 and their remainders on dividing by 9. The remainders are 2, 4, 8, 7, 5 and 1 for 6 consecutive powers of 2 as shown. The pattern is repeated. You might need a proof, I will tell you later. So we prove that we have a maximum of 4 consecutive powers of 2 with same number of digits, but we have 6 consecutive powers of 2 with different remainders when divided by 9, and so we have 6 consecutive powers of 2 with different sums as well, and hence we prove that we have 6 consecutive powers of 2 with different digits. So it's not possible for a power of 2 such that its digits can be rearranged and made into another power of 2, and hence we are done. The answer is no. Let's start the proof what we have left. Let the number be of the form 2 raised to the power n plus 6, so the remainder is to be found when divided by 9. Then 2 raised to the power n plus 6 can be written as 2 raised to the power n multiplied by 2 raised to the power 6, which is same as 2 raised to the power n multiplied by 64. 64 when divided by 9 gives remainder 1, and the remainder of 2 raised to the power n multiplied by 64 can hence be written as 2 raised to the power n multiplied by 1, which is same as 2 raised to the power n. So the pattern is repeated after every 6 powers of 2. Goodbye. Subscribe my channel and like the video if you like it.